Hey guys, what's up? This is Mr. Hitchcock with an unbagging, not an unboxing because there's no box here. I got a new sketchbook at old Barnes and Noble's last night. It's called the Field Sketchbook, and it says 144 pages, 72 sheets, heavyweight archival, acid-free, 128 GSM paper. That means it's really good paper. It means that it'll last a long time. Fine tooth paper supports graphite, ink, charcoal, pastel, and more. That means that fine tooth means that when you draw on it, it's gonna feel a little rough, but mostly smooth, just a little bit of rough. And more means you might be able to get away with watercoloring in this book. Hardcover binding protects your work. A6 size, that's just the size. Elastic band and ribbon marker. So it's a lot like my other books that you see I have, like this, my planner. But it's a little bit bigger. This is a Moleskine planner. That's the brand, Moleskine. These I get one of these every year. In fact, I got that too. And yeah. So let's check her out. Comes in a cool little wrapper that you just open like that. Pretty neat. I know. You're so excited to see. This was only $6, $5.99. And which I think is an excellent price if the paper is really good and if the spine doesn't crack. So here's what it looks like. Here's what it looks like opened up. The paper is really bright white. Nice. Ooh, it's nice and thick. Yeah, that's good drawing paper right there. This is like, essentially it's the same thing that my drawing paper that we use for final projects is. Pretty good, pretty nice. I'm gonna have to do some testing on this. There is no pocket in the back. Most Moleskine types notebooks have a pocket in the back, but this one doesn't have it. But you know, that doesn't really bother me. Here's the book marker, so you can keep your place. All right. One thing about this cover is it's really hard, which is a good thing, because if you drop it, it's probably gonna help not get your drawings inside goofed up. All right, well anyway, this is by the way by Peter Popper Press. Pretty cool. Image used from Shutterstock.com. They had to pay for that, I'm sure. All right, cool. I like it. I like it. Ooh, you know what I just realized? I can keep this in its wrapper even though I opened it already, until I'm ready to start using it, which is probably going to be a while. It might be a year before I even get to draw in this sketchbook. Start using it as my everyday driver sketchbook, because I already got a new one from El Wallo Marto. So I can just keep this in its little wrapper, because it's resealable, kind of like a Ziploc baggie, and it'll stay nice and neat. All right, like, rate, and subscribe.